Hello. So today we're going to be going over how to post ads. You're going to need to go right here on your web browser and download the Amazon Workspaces. Just type in Amazon Workspaces downloader. This link up here. You'll go to this page and then download whichever one you're using. I use Windows, so let me just press the download. I already have mine downloaded, so I'm just going to pull it up. And this will allow you access to the posting software that we're going to use. So you're going to be posting to Craigslist. I'll give you the password to all this. And so when you download that, you're going to type in that Monet up top and then, excuse me, and then type in that password. And so it's going to pop up like this. So, whoa. So you're not going to have this. So this is what it's going to look like when you open up the workspaces. This is the software we're going to be using, and these are, well, we'll get to that later, but there's photos and stuff. But so basically, you're going to come here every morning and you're going to go to Run as Administrator onto this app. Click yes. That will allow it to post ads for you. So this is the software, super sweet. So whoa. Crashed. Software is super sweet. It works super well. So this is it. This is how you're gonna post ads. So after you create an ad, you're gonna go press post, and it's gonna do its little thing. So I'm gonna want you to be posting. So I'm gonna have properties down here in the download section. You see all these? So these are 5 properties right here, or 4 properties. So I'm gonna want you to post. I'm gonna want you to create a unique marketing headline and ad per each property that I have, and then I'm going to want you to post those, and these are all the pictures inside here, and then I'm going to want you to post each of them into the Oregon zone, only the Oregon. So I'm going to want you to do 3 of these, so per property. So you see how this one is the 2.7 acre property, so this is its own property. I'm going to want you to write a unique headline like this: enjoy water and electricity on your property, that speaks to the benefits of the property. And I'm going to want you to go and click these 3 and then create your ad. Always press the save button, create your ad, and then select what photo you want from here. And this one is going to be the 2.7 acres, so select one of these, and so then save. Always press the save button. And so now this ad right here is going to be posted onto these 3 ones. So every time you make an ad, so I'm going to do one from scratch now. So I always, every day you do duplicate, so that creates a duplicate of it. So now I have 2. And then we're going to change the name to the date that you're going to post it on. So today is 4/24, and then I always do the dot, the acreage, so I know which property it's going to be, and then save. And the reason why I duplicate is because there's a bunch of account settings and a bunch of this coding stuff that is just needs to be in there every time. So the duplicate button is the best. So now we have this. duplicated, save, and so 1, 2, 3, and if there's any other selected, unselect them. So now we have these 3 postings, and we have this cool ad now that's attractive to buyers and sellers, buyers mainly, in the Klamath area, in the Oregon area. So we're selling land, and so then you're going to go back over here. Okay, so the reason why it didn't work is because I didn't open it up as an administrator. It's really annoying. Okay, so let's try this again. So we got this. The first thing we're going to do, duplicate the ad, and then we're going to change the title to the correct title. So the date, which is 4/24, and then the acreage of the property, dot acreage of the property. So there you go. And then we're going to change up this ad. So I'm just going to do, because all these properties have water and electricity on to the property, and those are really beneficial for a new buyer, and road access. So I'm going to say road So this is a little quick, simple ad trying to get interest here, and you're gonna be wanting to, like, you do whatever you want. You're the expert, okay? I just keep the always kind of include the call now, get the call to actions, and then I'll usually keep these all the same. If I want you to change the down payment or the monthly payment, I will let you know. But make sure they all are equal. I want them to be very coherent. Perfect. So usually just don't change this stuff. Just change whatever you want up front, but keep this call now. You're the expert, so please, whatever ideas you have would be greatly appreciated. And I always like, just so people know, Klamath, because we work in Klamath County. Klamath County and we offer seller financing too. Seller financing. Perfect. Always press to save. Perfect. And so now we've created this ad that's going to be posted into. Oh, good thing I checked. It's going to be posted to the first 3. And then every morning you're going to be posting them for 3 days. And so the same ad, but you're going to change the image. I think I did show you how to get the image. So you just go select image, and then you go to downloads, and then the specific property that we're talking about. So this one's the 2.7, and then you can select one. I already did that, so you just press the open button. And then so you're going to post for the first 3, and then tomorrow when you post for this same 0.27 acre, you're going to unselect these 3, and you're going to select boom, 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 Medford, Klamath, Oregon, and then you can post the same. You can use that same ad that you created there, and then the 3rd day you're going to go unselect that one, those 3, and then boom, boom, boom for these top 3: Oregon, East Oregon, Corvallis, and then Bend. And that's the rotation. And then once you complete that, you're going to start off again in the beginning, but with a whole new ad. Okay. So save. And so now that it's saved, it all looks good. Take one more last look, and then we're going to go to post and see how it's right here. Perfect. And so now we're just going to go to press the post ad, and then the whole system will start posting ads on its own. So we don't even have to post ads, it just does that for us. And so now, since while it's doing that, I'm going to go back to do the other properties like you're going to do. I'm only going to do one more example, but you're going to do one ad per property that I have, and you're going to post them to those 3 spaces each day. And then once you complete that, all of those spots in the Oregon, then you restart with a new ad copy. So like always, to start, it's working in here, so it might be a little slow. So always to start, duplicate. So today's the same day, but I'm going to go post the 0.59 acre now. It's a little slow just because it's working right now. And then change up the ad copy. On your very own half acre. You can tell that I'm not the best at the ad copies, but make sure these are all correct. 0.59 acre. Make sure it all is coherent. 599. Make sure this changed. I don't know if I changed that on the last one. Bum, 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 bum. 50 per month. Perfect. And since these are already selected for this first day, that looks good to me. And then we're going to select the correct image, because this one's for the 2.7 acre. So we're going to go downloads, and then this one's for the 0.59. We're going to select a cool one. It's working right now. So usually I like to make all my ads first and then start to post, because then it doesn't randomly kick you off. So I'm just going to select this one. I don't know what it looks like, but it's probably looking good. And then always press the save button, and then make sure it all looks good. Read it one more time, and then you're going to go back over to post, and you see how it's there now. So it's already currently posting this ad right here. You'll see it working down here, and every time it posts one ad, it's going to wait 11 minutes to post the second ad. So once you press the start, it's going to take like 33 minutes for the first one to post, and then you can go back, and when it's all done posting those first 3 ads, then you can go back here to the other ad that you created and go post ads. So if you have any question, that's basically how it works. If you have any questions, any problems, any new ways, or any critiques to this process that you have, I would be more appreciative to hear them. Please let me know. Don't change anything over here. Just let it do its thing. You're just going to be working right here. Okay. The duplicate and all that stuff. So once you press the post, don't close out of the system until it's done. And so you're just going to let it post all of its things, do its thing. You see how it's the delay timer up here right at the top. So let that post all of them, and then you can, and then you'll be great. So, and then when you're done with this whole thing for the day, I'm going to want you to do that, and then connection, and then right here, quit Amazon Workspace. Boom. And you should be all set. And then, and we'll have work for you every single day. So, this is going to be amazing. Thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, critiques, better strategies, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.